2026 can be your year if you watch this video until the end, because I'm about to show you 7 completely unexpected products that you can start selling literally as of today without even owning them, without having an e-commerce store, without finding suppliers, without ordering stock, without shipping to clients. So if you're ready to learn those products, I'm about to rank them from 7 to number 1. So stick until the end. Let's do this. So as we said before, you can start selling all these 7 products with 0 fees, without setup costs, anything. That's print on demand, right? That's how Printify works, and that's why it's such a great concept. It gives you the opportunity to own products, an e-commerce store, or a lineup of products without spending a dime on research, samples, having a stock, creating an e-commerce store. You don't need anything from that. All you gotta focus is designing things that really make sense for the people out there. And in the end of the video, we'll give you a few tips how to sell those products smartly. And the only thing you need to focus is on the creative part. So designing things that matter for people, specific niches out there, and promoting that consistently, like with everything. Many times people come to me and say, Konstantinos, this doesn't work. I tried it. And guess what? They tried it for a weekend, for a couple of days. They created a couple of products, and magically they were expecting that these products will start selling by themselves. It doesn't work like that, even if we have AI. So we're gonna go to the catalog of Printify and start with the number 7, which is the branded products. If you click right here that says brands, you will see that you have the option to choose from this catalog of branded, well-known products like Adidas and customize those products with your own designs. Imagine that. You use a brand that is established for years, a well-known brand, and you can customize it with the Simply Hustlers tribe, the Vegan's Life, whatever, and you can do that legally without even spending a dime. I mean, if that's not an opportunity, I don't know how you call it, right? So you see a hoodie that you can customize right here. You click Start Designing, like with every single item. You create something with AI or something meaningful for a specific demographic. Don't just add your logo that doesn't mean anything to people and expect to sell. You need to create something that people will love wearing, right? A logo, a slogan, something. So for example, one of the slogans that I have created for my own tribe, for the people that follow me, is the King of Hustle lineup, right? So the people who want to relate with this tribe of people who believe in hustle, right? So why not create an Adidas King of Hustle hoodie, right? I will select multiple variants like black, probably red, a dark gray, save the product, and instantly you have a lineup created for you with the mockups ready that you can use to promote the lineup in your social media. And you have product photos right here. You see how it looks like. It's an Adidas product. Check how cool this looks, right? You're gonna see the Adidas logo right here on the sleeve. Here it is. You can save the selection. And here it is. You see the title, trendy minimalistic fleece hoodie. You see the prices. Depending on your market, you're gonna select where you want the product to be shipped from. You see a recommended retail price based on competition, right? As you see right here, this might be too high. You can optimize it like this. So depending on the profit margin, you get a suggested price. You can go with 20%, which is the absolute minimum, but comes at a very competitive pricing point, $45, right? Or if you want more margin, you can go right here, select 40, and you see that the price is being adjusted accordingly. So when you hit publish, your product lineup is ready, either to sell on Shopify, on Etsy, on your pop-up store. So if I go here that says see in store, you're gonna see my Printify pop-up store, like this, where my Adidas hoodie is ready to be sold in every single size and the colors that we selected before, right? Here it is, my Adidas hoodie is ready for people to add to cart. All the payment details are there. I've set it up previously. So just by that, literally within a couple of minutes, 5 minutes max, you have an Adidas product ready to be sold. How cool is that? Let's go to number 6, right? We showcased number 7, now we go to number 6. So please stick until number 1 because it will surprise you very, very much. And some of you might select it for your new business venture. So we're gonna go right here that says jewelry. And surprisingly, you can start a jewelry business as a side hustle through Printify. So you can select different items right here. Ladies gonna love this one. And you can customize them exactly like we saw before with beautiful slogans, right? That could be addressing a specific group of people. You can use Gemini as well to come up with ideas and say, give me a 3-word quote to address feminists or to address ladies who love animals, whatever, right? And you create a group of products for a specific group of people. And this is an engraved product, right? So it's not just a sticker. is an engraved product that looks absolutely great and you can sell it after designing it in multiple colors. Another example of an oval necklace you can start selling. You see the design, the creative part is within this area, so all you need is to customize it and come up with a beautiful design that people would love. Pattern, an ancient design, whatever. As we said before, you need creativity, right? The product is not gonna sell by itself. You need to find a creative way to address a specific market. I'm gonna keep saying that again and again. So let me know in the comments who's going after the jewelry business, and let's go to number 5. Number 5, if you go to catalog again, you will see right here that says tech accessories. That's one of the most trending items right now on TikTok, Instagram, and you can confirm that by going to ChatGPT and asking the AI to tell you what are the most trending items on TikTok Shop or Etsy in terms of technology, right? And you're gonna see that Printify gives you a big catalog of different items like an AirPod cases, a Bluetooth speaker, a display stand for your smartphone, a watch band. Everybody wears a smartwatch right now, so why not customize it for a specific group of people? Another Bluetooth speaker, an Apple Watch, watch band, wireless charger, and so many different ones. You can literally create something within a few minutes, exactly like I did with the phone cases that you see, the king of hustle, the one that we created before. Now I made a phone case for entrepreneurs, for people who are hustling like me, or this one, fear no one, respect everyone, right? So a catchy phrase that people, a specific demographic would relate with, and that's how you create a lineup that makes sense, right? You brand yourself towards a niche and you keep doing that in order to create a brand. So the options are so many. You can again sell through a pop-up store that you're gonna create with Printify, or sell it on Etsy, Spotify, TikTok Shop, you name it. Let me know in the comments who's going after the tech side hustle. Number 4, as we said before, stick until number 1. You're not gonna believe this one. So we're gonna go to car accessories right here. Huge market, great margins. People love their cars, especially guys. So why not create something that makes sense for a specific group of people, like BMW lovers or Jeep lovers or overlanding lovers, right? So a specific sub-segment of the car lovers industry, right? Find something that would make sense for a specific group of people, like this one. So for example, you see a car mat, right? Or a license plate frame, or a car sunshade, right? So why not address the Jeep market and go to Gemini, banana, we're gonna create an image right here and ask, create an image for me, for a product, car sunshade for Jeep lovers, with a super smart quote that people would buy like crazy, right? Let's see, why not? And seconds later, you have this one, life's too short for boring roads, keep your adventure cool, right? So why not take this design and create your own products that you can address the Jeep market? Just by doing that, you can come up with more ideas again and again and find different people that would relate with your designs. It's that simple. All you need is creativity, consistency, being smart about who you're targeting, and enjoy it in the process. Let me know in the comments who is going after the car accessory category. Moving on to number 3, and actually I have a specific video that you're gonna find right here about this specific idea and how you attack seasonal opportunities like Halloween that is coming right now, or Christmas that is coming in a couple of months, or Easter, Father's Day, you name it. So consumption of products, e-commerce, offline as well, follows a specific seasonality, right? So it comes in waves. So we want to catch those waves in a smart way, and that's why you're gonna see right here that there are categories like Halloween, where you can customize specific products from this lineup in order to steal consumption from these periods, right? We have previously created products. I'm gonna go right here where I created 2 different products. The unisex hoodie for Halloween lovers based on specific insights that we got from Etsy and Gemini. So I found the top sellers on Etsy. Let me show you again. One of the hoodies that I discovered there made more than $7 million selling Halloween designs. And just by doing this search, you can find obviously other items. So many of these items sell millions, right? So get inspired by those. You can see all the details of every single store. Right here, what it says, the number of sales, 4.4 thousand sales, and you can do the math and understand the dynamic of that. And all you gotta do is use Gemini, I use Gemini for this, to come up with similar concepts and beautiful slogans for Halloween lovers like this one, or for Halloween haters, which is a huge group of people. So check this one. No tricks, no thanks. I created that and you can sell that through Printify to a specific group of people that don't really care about Halloween. Actually, they hate it. Guess what? It's more than 1/3 of people out there. So be smart about it and catch trends. You can do the same with Christmas. And Printify gives you every single time a new category, like this one, holiday picks, in order to stay relevant and find things that sell on specific seasons. So let me know in the comments, who is going after the seasonal idea? Let me know. Number 2, those two are completely surprising. You're gonna absolutely love them. So if you go to catalog again, you're gonna go right here that says food, health, beauty, right? And you're gonna see that there is a big lineup of supplements. Yes, you heard it right. Supplements. This is a ready product. This is approved. It's packaged in the USA. You see that it's completely certified, tested, non-GMO, vegetarian, lactose-free. So everything has been done for you, right? And you can customize the product and sell it if you're, for example, in the fitness industry, right? And you want to introduce your own supplements lineup. The Simply Hustlers one, right? Guess what? I've created one. Check it out. Weakness is expensive, hustle is free. My Simply Hustlers supplement lineup, right? Which is an approved monohydrate creatine that people would buy because guess what? 90% of creatine supplements out there are entirely the same. So the only thing that matters is branding, right? So why not invest and put effort into making your product make sense for others? You can see all the details right here. You don't have to research about anything. You see your pricing right here. You get 45% margin, absolutely great, right? You wouldn't get that much even if you had a good supplier probably. And exactly like creatine, you have also multivitamins, pre-work supplements, collagen gummies, multivitamin for women, mushroom blend supplement, probiotics, vitamin D3, and so many others, right? You can literally create a supplement business side hustle with Printify by creating your own brand. Something that would mean, again, I'm repeating myself, something to a specific group of people, right? So build a brand and create a lineup around it. Who is going after the supplement business? Let me know in the comments. So number 1, last but not least, drums here. You probably had no idea, but you can start a coffee business. You see how much coffee I drink here? You can literally build your own coffee business by customizing those different origins that you find here. You have decaf, as you see. You have a medium roast. You have the medium dark roast, and you have so many different flavor identities. Those are ready products, right? You don't have to produce them, find suppliers, customize them, create a packaging, nothing. All you gotta do is find the concept, add the design, and start selling it. It's crazy, right? I mean, if someone from you has been involved in e-commerce or physical selling, you understand how much hassle you save from that, right? So what if you go to Gemini or any other AI platform and do exactly like I did? Generate a coffee brand concept that will be highly trending based on what people love right now in terms of flavor, origin, colors, brand aesthetics, and colors. So I want to catch the aesthetics of the contemporary coffee lover, right? And as you see, Gemini came with different concepts, the logo, the aesthetic, the flavor identity, and check it out. It came up with a product name, with a brand name, Lumen. Gave me some aesthetics, packaging ideas, and guess what? You can involve a designer if you don't want to do it with AI and you want to spend a little amount of money to come up with something that makes sense, right? You see the stickers for the packaging. I even asked Gemini to come up with a concept, a family-oriented ad, so I can start building content through my social media, and you can use Gemini for that. And all you gotta do is go to your products right here and customize your coffee brand exactly like I did right here. Here it is. My Lumen Roast is ready. You can see it live right here. Check it out with the different variations, the whole bean, the ground. It's ready to start selling, right? So just by doing that, I have a coffee brand that obviously can have different kind of flavors and I can start selling as of tomorrow or today, right? All you gotta do is invest in marketing, social media, or try to do that organically, right? And see how far it will take you before you invest in influencers, paid ads, blogging, doing some guerrilla marketing ideas, some PR, exactly like any other company would do to promote their ideas, right? Let me know in the comments who is going after any of these ideas. I am personally very passionate to see you win, to see you try stuff, even if you fail, because nobody has succeeded before failing first. You need to understand that, right? It's part of the journey. So let me know in the comments what else you would like to see in this channel. I want to see your stores live and your products ready to sell. And until next time, simply hustle.